Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the Ballistic Nylon cart case that is compatible with Chromebooks and laptops. Start by sliding the screen under the two clear plastic straps. Then lift the black nylon straps over the two corners of the keyboard side of your computer. Your device is now sitting on the anti-slip lining. The front cover has a clear, transparent ID card slot and a logo patch that can be embossed with your school's or company's name. Both edges of the case are open and unobstructed to easily fit into charging carts while staying connected to the power source. There are 4 symmetrically placed anti-slip oval pads located on the bottom of the case to prevent it from slipping. On the bottom side, you will also find a clear window for an asset tag or barcode, plus a large anti-slip pad to keep your laptop in position and provide ventilation. The red plush padded cushion surrounds the screen for extra protection. The straps which hold the screen in place are clear plastic, allowing for 100% screen visibility. Heavy-duty ribbed nylon straps secure the laptop in place on the keyboard side. Thanks to the rigid construction of the case with wide edges and padded corners, your device will remain safe at all times when dropped from as high as 6 feet. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.